Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the shining light. The shining light. You are the superstar. It's time to take center stage, your place in the universe where your community, your student body, the world is waiting to listen to your wisdom. My wise man and wise woman in the universe, my greatest teachers of all time. It's time to take the stage, the podium, and speak your truth. Transform the world because I need you. The world needs you. My desire to improve myself, transform fear into light. You're coming into your best self. And I want to congratulate you on that. It's not easy, but you're doing it. I raise my thoughts above fear and doubt. And I find faith in the goodness of the universe. I love and accept myself as a soul, as a great teacher, as a great leader. And I discover the light that dwells within me. So it's time to shine, baby, shine. It is your moment. You worked so hard to get here, not to stop here, but continue and make a difference. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.